Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn the bitwise OR operator. So the bitwise OR operator takes equal length binary sequence and performs bitwise OR operation. So if we have 0 and 0, then this operator will return a 0, and if we have 0 and 1, then the result is 1, and if you have 1 and 0, then also the result is 1, and finally if we have both the value equal to 1, then also the result will be 1. So simply saying, if we have any of the bit equal to 1, then the result is 1. So see an example, take 10 and 12 and let us perform bitwise OR operation on these numbers. But these are decimal numbers and we need to convert it into binary numbers. And we know the binary equivalent of decimal 10 equal to 1010, and for 12 it is equal to 1100. Now we can perform bitwise OR. So take the first pair of bits which are 0 and 0, and we have the truth table and we don't have any of the value equal to 1, so we get 0. And the next pair is 1 0, so we get 1, and next is 0 and 1, so we get 1 again, and finally we have 1 and 1, so the operator will be returning a 1. And the result of bitwise OR operation between 10 and 12 is 1110, which is equivalent to decimal 14. Now see the code to implement this. In the main function, we are declaring two integers a and b which are equal to 10 and 12. Then we are calculating the output equal to a bitwise OR b. So bitwise OR operation will be performed and the result will be stored in output. Now we are printing the value of output which will be equal to 14. So that's it. Now let us discuss about the application of bitwise OR. So suppose we are going to design a robot car which uses a sensor to sense the environment and update its direction accordingly. And we have 4 directions: backward, forward, left and right. And each bit when set to 1 can indicate to go to a particular direction. That is, if first bit is set, the car should go to right direction, and if the second bit is set, go to left direction, and so on. But how to enable a bit specifically? We can use bitwise OR operator and we can have a mask value for each case. Suppose we want the car to go to left direction and the second bit is reserved for left direction. So we can have mask value 0010 and perform bitwise OR operation, and in the result only second bit is 1 and the car will go to left direction. And if you want to go to backward, then that is the fourth bit and we can have mask value equal to 1000. So in the result only fourth bit is 1. So let us see how our robotic car goes and see the sensor status here. First we have 0001, only first bit is set and it indicates to go to right. So the car goes to right. Now only second bit is 1, so the car will go to left and so on. So this is how we can apply bitwise OR in many areas. So that's all, and thank you for watching this video.